Renovation, renovation, renovation. This is what you're looking for. If your budget is under 6 million, we've been hunting these kind of deals out really all over the city and it's very hard to find. So all the price, built up area, etc. are below in the description of this video. This really is to show you what you're working with. Of course, I don't really believe I'm selling the house here. I'm really selling you the location, the plot, the location, the community. This is a very well established community, and you're right near the golf course as well. So I'm going to turn around the camera. Really, with this property, you're just checking out space. It's a 4-bedroom plus maids room over ground floor, first floor and second floor. So at the very top of the house on the second floor, we're going to go down this time. That's the roof. You're looking straight at the park in your garden, which I will show you. It's a beautiful garden space. So on the top floor, you have got, this is actually a 4-bed plus maids room. So this is actually the maids room, but I would so use this potentially as a bedroom or a study or family room, especially if you don't want somebody living in as a maid or a nanny. So that is, let me just go in actually and show you. This is how it looks in here. I mean, this is the original build, and I think these are, if I'm not mistaken, they're about 12 years old now, and the original bathroom. And then in here would be your laundry room, because obviously you've got the plumbing here for the washing machine and the dryer. Remember, we're right at the top of the house here. So there's a lot you could do up here. So now let's come down one floor to the first floor. And in terms of, if you want prices of renovations and work and how long this would take, if you click below in the link in the description, then we can chat and I can tell you more. So on the first floor, you've got 3 bedrooms. This is your master bedroom, which is a really, really nice space. And it has got the built-in wardrobe, so you've got the space there. And that's really lovely. Look, see down to your garden there. And these townhouses are actually, they have a really large garden, I'll show you in a minute. So walk-in wardrobes here again, and then this is your bathroom. Of course, drastically needs completely ripping out and starting again. You've got a shower in there as well. So, yeah, welcome to the old Dubai. This is how we used to do properties. And we'll have a better look in a minute at the garden. In fact, we maybe should go out here because, let me just see if I can find this. Okay, so here we have it. Here's your garden, next doors, and you go straight out through your gate to this park, which is gorgeous. So it's really, there's next doors. So you've got lots of garden space. We'll walk out there in just a minute, and you've got that park running through, and you can see the neighbours here. So this is your master. So now let's carry on through the house. So we've got 2 more bedrooms here. That's where we came from. Both these bedrooms share the bathroom, and they're nice spaces. They're nice sizes. Here we have it. That's out of the front. So you've got a 2-car porch out of the front. It's bedroom 1, and it shares this bathroom with bedroom 2. And yeah, I'm not really going to comment about that bathroom. And as for this space, what is that all about? I have no idea. But anyway, there we go. It's a blank canvas for you to get creative, and that's what counts, because we're looking at this as a renovation project after all. So this is the other bedroom. You cannot change anything in the balcony. You can't build out on the balcony, but you have got ample space here. So you've got 3 bedrooms on this floor, master with its own, and the other 2 sharing. Now we're going to come down to the ground floor. So we've seen 3 bedrooms and a maid so far. This is the living area, which is a really nice space. Here we have it. Okay. So if we just check out the garden, so there's your lovely garden, really nice and mature, and you've got the gate straight out to the park there. Let's see if I can get out. I can't get out of that at the moment. And then here is your kitchen. Okay, so that needs a complete change. Again, that's your garden there, which is really, really nice. Okay, and then let's walk around here a little bit. So you've got the downstairs toilet and bathroom, and this is because there's a bedroom down here as well, so that meant that they had a bathroom and a shower downstairs. And then we come in here. This is your bedroom 4, which is right at the front of the house. You've got parking there, down the side of the house. And so that's your parking area here. And that was your front door. So, for more details, if you want to have an appointment to see this, or you don't need to see it. You've seen my video, you know location-wise the community this is in. Get in touch with me, whether you have a bank account in Dubai or not. We can help you purchase this property. All my details are below. Just click the link and it will come straight through to me. And I hope to hear from you soon. These renovation projects get grabbed very, very fast. So I'm looking forward to working with you soon. Take care.